Hey guys, Frugal Gal here with another Let's Make a Jewelry Jar and Sell It video. So let's get started putting our jewelry in here. I've got a couple necklaces that are from New York and Company. You guys might be familiar with these type of necklaces. They have the hang tag on them with NY. Now, I thought these didn't go for much, but I looked up the solds on Poshmark and they're going anywhere from $5 to $20. So this is a really long, get it focused, really long gold tone chain and with the circles on it. So we're going to put that in there. And then this also, these seem to sell for a higher price on Poshmark. So if you're a reseller, these would be good to get and put on Poshmark. Interesting, these beads are plastic, but then you got those like that. Oh, wait a minute. Is that supposed to have a back one on it? I don't think so. I don't think so. I think it's supposed to be like that, open in the back. And this is a New York and Company. We'll put that in there. Those seem to go for a little higher priced. I've got a bag of earrings here that are all like 1980s. I was going to sell them all for $3, but I made the video and never put it up. So I'm just going to put those in there. And with these earrings, a lot of them might not have backs on them, guys, but it's just because I don't have backs. So they're just plastic, like 1980s earrings, like I said. I'll put that in there. I've got this dyed shell bracelet, stretchy, perfect shape, not stretched out. Got some silver tone in there. It's very cold to the touch. Let's put that in there. Got this roll-on bracelet that has charms on it. It's not stretched at all. The charms are a sea theme. Like you got a starfish one and a seashell and a seahorse and another starfish. I guess it's a sand dollar, isn't it? And then a couple beads. Really nice. We'll put that in there. I've got this necklace. It's Liz Claiborne Incorporated. LCI is on the tag. I don't know what kind you call it. I call it like a mesh. It's silver tone and gold tone mixed together. Here's the hang tag that says LCI. You can see that. I'll put that in there. Very nice. Oh, blurry, blurry. This is a cuff bracelet in silver tone. It looks like on the back of it might have some copper showing through. I'm not sure, but it's really nice. I'll put that in there. It's heavy. We can't leave out the men's jewelry, so here's some cufflinks. I like these, the picture on the front. It's like a shuttered window. They are not marked, so they are not signed, but they're nice cufflinks in good shape. We have to put a brooch in there, so I'm going to put the silver tone, very sparkly, beautiful brooch in there. It is unsigned, but a very nice brooch all the same. That in there. Here's another stretchy or roll-on bracelet. It has got some really pretty tropical looking beads on it because it's got a charm on it that says Hawaii and then Aloha on the other side. Very nice beads. Put that in there. We have this necklace. It is silver tone. A lot of you guys like silver tone. It's got rhinestones in it. All the rhinestones like are a prong setting. And they're all there. Not signed. We'll put that in there. Let's go ahead and put another one of my rings in there. These are silver plated, brand new rings with real stones in them. But this is about a 7.5. It is. It's about, well, it's about a 7 1/4. I don't know what stone that is. Whoa, it's not picking it up because of all the background. Oh, stop it. There we go. Perfect shape, brand new. Stop. There we go. So we'll put that in there. And then I have this ring I'm going to put in there. It's a smaller ring. Well, no, it's not. It's a 7 1/4 also. Cool. I have not cleaned this up. It needs to be cleaned up. Now, it's marked on the inside 925, and I tested it on the band. And the band did not come up as sterling silver, but when I tested the basket, it did. So I'm just going to put that in there. I don't know if it's just been marked 925, and it's not, but if you get sterling, then you get sterling. We'll put that in there. I will look. This is a really nice bangle bracelet. It's in good shape. It reminds me of a Monet bracelet, but I could not find a Monet mark inside of it. But it really does remind me of a Monet made these bracelets. So it's a Monet type bracelet. We'll put it that way. Sometimes it's really hard to find Monet inside there. We'll put that in there. Okay, this necklace is wired and it has beads on it. Not wired, but it's a chain. It's a silver tone, and then it's got a couple of these on there with rhinestones. It is so long, guys. I bet it's about 50 inches long. The beads are gray, and then it goes clear, and then those, and it's not marked, but it's very nice. Okay, I'm going to include this with it, but it won't fit in the jar because of how big it is. It's a plus size, or you could say for larger size wrists like mine, where your hands are large across. Silver tones, got mesh in the background. It's got these little beads on it. It's really pretty. And then it's got these like clusters that almost look like grapes. Right here. So I'll wrap that up separately, but it will be included. Here's another bracelet. It's interesting. It's got these beads on it, but it's interesting. It hooks like this. You hook it on there. Underside right there. So we're going to put that in there. Okay. Let me see. I need some more jewelry. Let's include this in here. Hold on a second. I just found it over here. Some of you guys like these. It's cord and oh, it's got tweezers hanging off it. Hold on. I found like not antique but vintage tweezers. And it's got the cross on. I'm not sure what kind of thing that is. But we'll put that in there. Okay. I'm going to put this in there, but be aware that this has been repaired across there. I got it like that, but it's a slider or a bead. You put like a chain in there, but it's just so interesting. I figure somebody might like it. Put that in there. We'll put this stretch bracelet in there. Look at that faux pearl. It's got little stars on it. Isn't that neat? Put that in there. We will put this bracelet in there. I think this is a men's bracelet. I don't know. This might be sterling silver. Want to test it and see? I doubt it is though. We'll test it real quick and see. Why not? I got my stuff over here. If it is, I'll just still throw it in there. Scratch it on the stone. Get out the acid. It's okay, I'm a big girl. I can play with acid. Let's see. See, it should turn orange. Does that look orange to you? Don't me. Oh no, it kind of is turning orange. Is it or isn't it? What do you guys think? Let's test it again. No, I think it's going away now. I don't think it is. I don't have a magnet close by. I've lost my long magnet. It's somewhere in this house. I just can't find it. See, that's already gone away. So no, I don't think it is. But I'm going to throw it in there. It's a nice link bracelet. Men's bracelet. Oh, sorry. Can't see. We'll throw that in there. Why not? Okay. Let me go get a few more pieces of jewelry. I just kind of set the jewelry on. I didn't know if I had enough. Let's put this stretch bracelet in there. You take that apart and use those beads. It's really interesting. I want to get as much in there as I can. Remember, this is going to be in there. I just can't fit that down in there. I don't want to bend it. Okay. What else can I find? Hold on just a minute. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with some more jewelry to put in. I'm going to put in these fashion earrings. They wanted $4 for them. With some little, looks like, they're coming out blue on the screen, but maybe they are blue. Kind of look clear to me. We'll put those in there. I'm going to put these little clip-on earrings in there. I have this, I think these were called Italian charm bracelets, weren't they? My niece was into these when she was, like in the early 2000s. This has got a Red Hat Society charm on it. It's got, looks like a bear, cherries, friend, a T, engagement ring, and whatever that says. I don't know what that says. A little girl? Baby doll? It is marked stainless steel 818 karat, which I looked up, says it's 818 is good stainless steel for not corroding. So I'll put that in there. I'm gonna put this scarf clip in there, vintage. There's a little button in there. You guys know I don't do that time of year. There's no business like snow business. It's a little button pin, whatever you want to call it. I have this old necklace. We got a lot of these as resellers. Japan. This one's kind of unique, and the beads it has on it has the faux pearls, but then it has these beads that are roughly coated on the outside, and then these beads, which no, they're not. They're still plastic. They've got something inside of them. So we're putting that in there. Oh, we're almost full. I've got one more that I want to test out. This is a seed bead necklace. And it's got a little stainless steel like charm or bead on it. No, why did I say stainless steel? Silver tone, I meant. It's in the thing of a rose. I want to see if maybe it was sterling. So let's go back down here and test it on screen. I'm trying to move the screen over to show that instead of just moving that over. That was silly. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I keep going to bed like at 6:30 at night, and then I sleep for like 4 hours and get up. But hey, get to sleep where you can get it. Let's see if it's sterling. Probably not, but hey, you never know. But sterling usually turns orange really quick. It doesn't appear to be turning orange, but it's still pretty. See? And you got the seed beads. Little necklace. We'll put that in there. Okay, we are full. And remember that larger size bracelet also goes with this. It will just be separate in the same package. We're going to take off 2 ounces for the jar. We're going to weigh this so I can see. Oh, that's heavy. See how much jewelry's in here, how much it weighs. Oh, just a minute, you beeper. Okay. Boop. So it's a 1 pound, 9 ounces. This is going to be $20 free shipping on it. So only $20. You get the whole jewelry jar. You do get the jar because it's plastic. It will just be shipped inside a padded flat rate. And I want to let you guys know, padded flat rates are $8.75 now, so you really are getting a great bargain on this jewelry because $8.75 of that $20 that you'd pay for this is going to go for me doing the free shipping. So you get all that for 20 bucks, and you guys, a lot of you can't find jewelry jars. Remember, that goes with it. So I might just tape that to the top of it and wrapped up. So $20, first person to comment they want this down below will receive it. I invoice through PayPal. Must have you pay the invoice as soon as you get it because I'm in need of some money. And as soon as I sell this one, I will make up another one and we will keep selling them. $20 free shipping. Have to have your email in order to invoice you. Thanks, guys. Bye. Okay. Yeah, that's right. I started to say, and I charge actual shipping, but it's free shipping. Duh. Bye.